Thank you, Mom. All right, I'll ask him to repeat it. Okay, Mom. All right, bye, Mom. Bye. No matter how far you go in life, always answer your mom's phone call. All right, Martin Rios should be an impact. Joaquin Mendez. Arturo Campus, impact. James Sean McGee, impact. Zachary Gilmore, impact. Catherine Sanchez Aguilar. Mario Kellum, impact. Carlos Alaman. Dennis Johnson.
Here.
Walter Charles Weller. Francisco Sotelo, custody. Christian Dunbar. Esther San Miguel. Thank you. Kyle Ernst.
No, that's the wrong.
No, oh, sorry. Thomas Contreras. Are you Thomas Contreras?
No, his grandmother.
All right, so he's in custody. Adriana Herrera. Esther Diaz, custody. Missy Anna Torres.
Yeah.
David Castro. Andre Moody, custody. Tyler Ashball. All right, is there anyone who's present and your name was not called? Hank, what's your last name?
Oh, he's under McGee, Judge. He needs to be down in impact for trial.
All right, you need to be in impact, second floor. Yes.
Darren Johnson, Your Honor, I was told that there was, Norman had put me on the docket for June 27th and I didn't show up, so I should come today. I showed my next court appearance to be July 29th.
All right, just have a seat. We'll get with you. Anyone else?
No, you called Christian Dunbar.
Yes. Christian Theodore Dunbar. All right, anyone else who came in late or your name was not called? All right, everyone, please confirm.
Is there David Castillo? Or Castro? David Castro?
But Cornelius, so Florida,
For sure.
I mean, other than it being bittersweet, did you get a chance to see family?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He didn't answer.
We want to stand coming while we're there.
Oh, hey, that's good.
So, you know, we don't know what ice is, ice hockey and that type of stuff.
But you all did it.
We want to champion. So.
Okay.
So I was choosing. I'm waiting on my hat.
Well, you know, the guy I was talking to with the LSU thing on his slingshot, he was asking me, well, I was asking him, I said, so how do you think our football team's gonna do this year? He's like, oh, we're going to the playoffs. I'm like, okay.
It's a 12 team.
Yeah. Am I gonna be doing what that girl was doing when LSU was playing Florida? Hi. But yeah, it was hot at the parade. It was about 100 degrees. But Jacqueline Smith, she did a good job of putting the parade together. When you see a single person's like, you know what, we're doing a veterans parade. And so it was the 4th annual Charlie Watkins Veterans Day Parade. And a lot of people came out, but it was 100 degrees and you had, I think it was about 50 or 60 cars. And a lot of them were in convertibles and in the slingshots, people riding motorcycles. I don't know how you can ride a motorcycle in this heat and still have the leather on. Rolando is looking at me like, no, I don't know either. Oh, it was the 4th annual Charlie Watkins Veterans Day Parade. Hmm?
I thought you were talking about when I say-
No, okay, I know that was gonna be hot too.
I saw Judge Rock He was one of the cars on the street.
Mhm.
And there was speed limit over there.
Yeah.
It's a time. It was,
Yeah. I always try to go every year, but because of other things that are happening, I couldn't make it. Yeah. Oh, Pride Parade is always fun. Oh, it's always packed and it's always burning up hot. I don't know what we can do. Maybe have parades either early in the morning.
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Well, I will tell you the other thing is when people say a parade is going to start at a specific time, it needs to start at a specific time. Yeah. I've been before where it starts at night and then it's like 45 minutes to an hour late. I'm like, and by that time, everybody's just sweating. If there's no glistening, everybody's just sweating. Mhm. It was hot, hot, hot. But yeah, Deputy Laura, I hope you told her judge is not ordering you to become a chef. You can continue to code. Bianca, did you understand her to say coding?
No, I didn't hear the coding, I just heard that he said she was going to color.
I know she was like, "Cool." And then she goes downstairs and she's like,
It's you again.
culinary arts.
I'm telling you, I go back to WKRP in Cincinnati, as God is my witness. Vashawn, I thought she said culinary arts.
She changed her whole career plan.
But she is back in coding. Oh, but Cornelius, did you join the celebration of the Florida Panthers?
Well, the initial one I did, but the official one, I was going to.
Ah. See, I thought you would have been at the parade in the rain.
Back with, not often, not ever. Somebody said they were gonna make history, because it was they had 3 sets.
Mhm.
Then the other team, Montreal, I think, won 3 games. So we're gonna make history either way. If we won, we make history. If we lose, we make history.
All right, don't let the Florida Panthers become the Buffalo Bills. You remember how many times the Buffalo Bills went to the Super Bowl
They went 4 times.
and lost? Can you imagine?
You know what? Not only did they go 4 times, they went 4 times on the road.
Yes.
4 times on the road.
You know what? The only thing that stopped them from being a dynasty is they lost 4 times in a row.
Yeah, they lost 4 times.
Except for
You know when they acquired
my son's incompetent.
against the Giants?
Yeah.
What's the field goal?
Okay, can I just tell you? Field goal kickers, I know, and I will be on the sideline. You know how they just try to get you in line to make the field goal? No, let's try to get in the end zone so it's not on me. That's what I'm asking you to do. All right, Joseph Grosso.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good
Your
morning.
Honor, this case is set for trial next Monday morning. I just wanted to bring it to the court's attention. My client is still incompetent to stand trial.
Okay,
We've been working with Judge Carruthers for an ACOG. They've just gone to DID. We're waiting on a hearing for Carruthers to bless all of everything. He's gonna likely be incompetent and be placed in a group home, but just wanted to make sure that.
all right. So when, do you know when your hearing is for Judge Carruthers?
As of late last week, they were scheduling it, Judge. I don't have that date yet, but maybe we bump it to late August.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, can I have a late August date for Joseph Grosso? Yes, it's 2023. 8646. Yes,
It might
it's
have been
currently
set-
set on July 8th.
You said late July?
Yes, no, late August.
There was a setting that looked like on 8/29, but.
I can do August 29th.
That's fine.
All right. All right. So we'll come back on August 29th, and your client is in custody.
No, he's not, Judge. He's on bond on GPS monitor, but he's cooperating. I'm in touch with him.
All right. If you'll just let him know the new date.
I will. Thank
Thank
you,
you.
Judge.
Norma, on this one, he's incompetent.
So just put it as a guessing date?
Yes, because they have a court date in Judge Carruthers Court.
We need someone? You need him?
Well, I'll talk about that.
Yeah. Yeah, right. What's it fun about?
Oh, you're in.
Hello. Hi. Sure. Oh, I'm doing great. How are you doing?
Any plans for the fourth?
Yes, I'm going to be with my mom.
Good for you.
I always tell people coming back after holiday is really nobody wants to come back after a holiday. So I'm giving the staff and everybody off to spend time with their family. So we're going to be here July 1st and July 2nd. Then I'll give them time to go spend with their family. And of
Okay.
course, I'll still be available though.
This is no offense to you, but nobody really wants to come back after the weekend.
Nobody wants to come back. No.
Period.
Well, we all thought we would be retired and we're not. So we're like,
Well, I'm working on it very hard. I've been dealing with Ally Jackson, and we have an agreement on the case. Ally's an impact. Would you like me to go to impact, or would you like Ally to go?
oh, you can go to Impact, and if y'all, do the paperwork or whatever your agreement is, and then you can come up here and I'll take the plea.
Okay, well, it's not a plea, Judge, it's just an agreement on the conditions of bond.
Ah, oh, no, well, she'll have to come up here for me to hear it.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have to have them pull the file.
Okay, I'll start. I don't know if you have a file, Judge.
Is it a night mag?
It's whatever it is now. I don't know what they call
Okay,
it.
I don't know what the case is. You have to check with Norma.
Yeah, it's the new system. I don't know what it is. Does that make sense? Like,
Yes.
I don't know. I'm sure, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll talk to her and see whatever I can get you.
All right, sure. But is your client here? Okay. Yes.
Yes. I don't, but you can get a software. Yeah. I mean, let's. Okay, yeah, so I don't have a copy of it here.
That right there is the ultimate courtroom wisdom. Forget law school rule number 1. Always answer your mom's calls, because trust me, ignoring your mom, that's a life sentence you don't want. Pause. When you hear incompetent to stand trial, it doesn't mean the person's off the hook. It means mentally, they can't currently understand the proceedings or assist their lawyer. Basically, the court can't move forward until that's resolved. Wild, right?
It would not have been indicted unless you had that. You got it. Yes, you gotta have the right. So, yeah, so, it's suggestible. I don't have the file in front of me, but I should call it down. And give you an offer. Your client's a teacher. So. That's what it says on here. My wife said it.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll check. We'll see if it works. All right, and also, can you see if maybe in the afternoon, the other guy can come down and see what's happening with our odyssey and why it can't sign anything? All right, thank you.
When you get a minute.
And Jennifer, since they are getting rid of all the files today, I'm gonna start writing, because I know y'all are scanning docket sheets in, but today I'm gonna start writing things in on the system. If it lets me.
The other thing.
Jose Maria Castañeda. Joaquin Mendez.
I do, please. Marie. Diaz.
Cornelius, your client Christian Dunbar, he's by Zoom. Good morning. Adriana Herrera. Oh, Bashan, I forgot to tell you, and this is something, you know, I don't interfere. I always stay in my lane, but I think maybe your salary needs to be increased. So what ended up happening is, do you know how many people it took to replace you for our docket? And, you know, I thought something was wrong because one probation officer came down. Hi. And then the next thing I know, there are 4 probation officers in this court trying to do your job. Bianca, she needs a raise.
Yeah, I'll let the chief know. It was actually fun. It was my joke.
Oh, I'm sorry. It was 5. There was one who came in that I didn't see, but they were in the box going over conditions with people. 5 people. Yes. And it was like, I don't know, they were tag teaming. Hey, you're in. It was just- and Bashan, I even did this for them where I was like, you know what? I'm gonna call a case out of order so they can catch up. Didn't work. So do you need me to sign a letter saying that there were 5 people?
Exactly.
I'm gonna send an email.
He's on. So it's kind of. They don't.
All right, and Norma, I have nothing in my queue.
Nothing.
I haven't seen it.
I will.
Sure. No problem.
You can try with this on.
What's going on with your list? Are you ready to approach? Are you ready to approach?
No, I just need to ask you about a client. I don't know. There's 3 indictments. I'm gonna check with you.
It's an art.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Sir. This is not being used. So we're on.
You have to say normal, you hit. I got two. One is on Dunbar
Sit number, please, ma'am.
and one is on Johnson.
Are you ready?
Okay. Oh, I'm supposed to go see. Yes, ma'am. Oh, Dennis. DJ.
Yeah, look at you bringing out the Celtics.
Yeah.
You know, he's passed.
She has to seat herself.
Yeah.
And I started to cry.
Well, you know what? He
941
He-
161.
was in the
He
movie,
has two possession cases.
Hoosiers.
Just want to make sure
Called, I
that-
think, and they were playing some team.
Mhm.
One of the point guards was Dennis Johnson, you know.
Okay, now I need to look that up to see, because I've watched Hoosiers, but it's been a while since I've seen Hoosiers.
Yeah, you see, no, it's one of those movies like Rocky, you know, those fiction
Mhm.
where you have,
Except for today.
you know, Rocky Balboa beating couple lanes, which in reality.
He would have lost.
Yeah.
You're
So-
still on that.
So Hoosiers,
6'9".
that would never happen.
6'1".
Okay, yeah, I don't.
When you go back, when they're playing in the, I think the semifinals.
Mhm.
They call out the name, it's just called, I think the name they call out is Dennis Johnson.
Oh,
Okay.
So when you go back and look at,
okay, I'm gonna have to look that up.
Yeah.
All right, Dennis Johnson, come forward.